Hello again, welcome back to Sivas to Learn. Today we are going to look into inversion sentence. So we have seen 4 different types of sentences. They take the formations of subject, verb and auxiliary and in an interrogative and a negative form, right? 4 different types that we already looked into. Sometimes we don't use in the general form. Instead we use inversion sentence to make it more emphatic and dramatic sentences, right? Where do we use it? Number 1, when a negative or phrase is placed at the start of the sentence. Okay. So not only did we win, we also played well. It's exactly same sentence as we not only won, we also played. But to make it more emphatic, we put this negative adverb in front of the auxiliary verb and then subject, then verb. Okay. This formation is very important. You have to use in the right order. Okay. Not only did we win, we also played well. You see, another way. Nowhere else can you find such a. Okay. So tip number 2, where you use it, sometimes, seldom, rarely, those kind of adverbs, right? Seldom have I seen, rarely have I eaten. Okay. Tip number 3, in hypothetical conditions, such as, had I known you earlier, something like that. Should you change our mind or your mind? Okay. And also there's another place where you will notice sometimes we use were that is not supposed to be used with he or she or other subject, right? If he were to be here, that means this is subjunctive mood. Okay. Another one is actually, you see the phrase so disappointing. Then auxiliary have the results been, right? So you put the phrase in front and then more emphatic. Sometimes you use it in the middle of the sentence, such as, in the middle was studied a large tree. You see, in the middle is a phrase, was auxiliary and then verb, a large tree in front, right? This is subject. Actually, a large tree was situated in the middle. That's a exact sentence, right? You just inverted in a different way to make it emphatic. Okay. Another one is actually subject verb inversion, where subject and the main verb switch position. On the top of the hill stood an old oak. Actually, an old oak tree stood on the top of the hill, right? So these are some of the other ways of making sentences. So in addition to the 4 different types we already looked into earlier. Good luck. See you at another session. Sivas to Learn.